But since we are on instant Bollywood, I have this amazing segment before we wrap this conversation up. That is quick questions with Karan. इसको बहुत ही
Yes.
quick question पूछूंगा,
Let's
उसके
do
quick
it.
answers आप दे दो ना. It's very easy, ठीक है?
Let's
So
do
I'm
it.
going to ask you the very first question. What do you admire the most in a person that you meet for the first time?
It's the simplicity and the honesty. That's it. Simple.
Amazing, amazing. Where would you go if you were invisible? Hmm.
Nah, I'm not. इतना भी creep नहीं हो यार. इतना creep भी नहीं हो. But I think the first thing I'm gonna do is go look for all the India's most wanted जो लोग इधर-उधर वाली countries में छुपे हुए हैं, उनको ढूंढूंगा जाके.
Oh,
और it'll be easy, because we know where they are. It's just that there's no proof.
yeah.
So बंदूक चलानी तो आती है मुझे. And so I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a couple of countries, find out a couple of people, and bring them back.
And dish them.
मतलब
Amazing,
हाँ,
amazing.
अगर फिल्म बन रही है तो डिश का, अगर रियल लाइफ है तो ले आऊंगा वापस कि भाई तुम भी देखो इनके साथ.
Tell me, Karan, and this is from an admirer. This question comes from an admirer. Having achieved, I'm sure Abhi, there's a long way to go, Karan. I'm sure there's so much success waiting for you.
Yeah, fingers across.
Fingers of touch wood, I'm sure, and this is for sure happening. But tell me, after doing so much and achieving so much, what is there in your bucket list? The top thing that is in your bucket list, career-wise?
Again, see, I am only obsessed about being happy in my life, having my loved ones near me, a balance. I'm a Libran. I need a balance in life. I need.
What the hell are you talking about? I'm a Libran too. Are we brothers? I don't know what it is. I'm a 21st October born, so that makes me a Libran too. But anyway, please continue.
I am 10 days before you, so I'm 11. No, I'm 10 days before you, so I'm 11. So I think for me, a lot of people would say कि यार मुझे एक 100 करोड़ की फिल्म मिल जाए या मुझे ये मिल जाए मुझे मिल जाए. It's not that I'm not ambitious. I am thoroughly ambitious. I'm as ambitious as it gets. Very ambitious. But I think for me, it's going to be a balanced life, a long, happy life with a lot of, stuff that I want to do. I want to be a part of good stories. I want to write good stories. When I look back, when I'm probably say 70, I want to go look back and say कि यार this is something that made a difference in somebody's life. It brought a smile on somebody's face. Somebody was depressed and they watched me and they smiled, or there was an impact. Somebody. यार हम जब गुमराह करते थे ना हमें को इतने messages आते थे कि that यार I was going through the same thing and I was gonna do this and
it just impacted people's lives in a positive.
You literally saved our lives and और हमारे से फट जाती थी यार हम लोग घर पे बैठ के अगला एपिसोड लिख रहे हैं. I'm like, dude, are we getting into something that is this thing? I remember me and Vikas used to be sitting and मैं ऐसे बियर खोल के बैठा होता था कि भाई चल लिख मजे कुछ अच्छा लिखते हैं, because we were writing on real stories and we started getting these messages from people all across the world and in India, and they were like, I was going through the same thing. I was being blackmailed. I didn't know that I could do this, and you've saved my life. I was like, what just happened? So so when I look back, हाँ हो सकता है कि मैंने कोई फिल्म की हो जो बहुत सुपर हिट हुई हो, but when I look back at that time when I was sitting on the couch while I was doing doing a show on Channel V, MTV निकलता है मुझसे, I was doing a show on Channel V called Gumrah. I have saved somebody's life. फिर चाहे मैं 200 करोड़ की पिक्चर क्यों ना हिट दे दूं कल, I have not saved anybody's life. So so my pointers are very, very different. So
more meaningful than just popcorn entertainment.
यार meaningful या entertainment को मैं नहीं डालूंगा, but these are the things that I remember. It's not that I'm not grateful. I'm very grateful that 1921 जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी तो इतने पैसे कमा के गई थी, but मेरे को उसके अलग वो है, पर वो इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं आया होगा because वो एक अलग चीज है. So मेरा घर चलता पॉपकॉर्न एंटरटेनमेंट से ही है at the end of the day. So I'm not going to say that वो अलग है ऐसा कुछ है, but there have been instances in my career that have really hit me really hard and I will never forget them, and those instances are that I want to look back and थी कि हाँ कुछ तो खाड़ा लाइफ में.
Of course, 100%.
Hi Pooja.
Tell me, God forbid, that should never happen. But if in a hypothetical situation your plane is crashing,
My plane
who
is
would you want
crashing.
to be sitting? Who would you want to be sitting next to?
I won't be sitting next to because I'll be flying the freaking plane. That's why it's crashing. वो होता है ना, तेरे को पता है ना वो जो 4 पैग पाके 4 पैग आए के अंदर वो सुन भाई हुन मैच लानी है
हुन मैच ला रही है।
I'm quite sure वो होता है ना आज गड्डी मैच लानी है हमने आज फ्लाइट में उड़ानी है so I think it's a question, it's a great question. I'll think about it, but if a plane crashes, who would I want to be next to? Man,
God forbid. I don't want to even further. Yeah,
but to be honest, I don't want any of my loved ones to be next to me because उनको भी क्यों मारूं? But I think अगर मेरे वर्गा बंदा के किसी का plane crash हो रहा होगा, इसीलिए हो रहा होगा क्योंकि मैं जब उड़ा रहा हूँ, मैं खुद ही उड़ा रहा हूँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जलंधर कितने चलो पाइए गड्डी उते.
Tell me, what is the best compliment that somebody has given you?
Okay, so recently I was working with a new director, and so he's, you come across a lot of different kind of people. Some people have seen your work, some people have not seen your work. They know who you are, but they've not seen your work. So वो blank canvas लेके आते हैं, and a day or two of shooting with that director, and he was a very nice guy who was letting me do whatever I wanted to do because he gave me that kind of freedom and the kind of respect. I trust you, you'll do it. 3 days later, working with him, he comes to me, and I've realized by now that he's a good director, and he's come to me and he said, Karan, you are one of the kind of people that make me want to go back and see your work. And I was like,
wow.
What are you trying to talk? What are you saying? So he's like, yaar, now that I see you performing in front of me, I want to know more about you. I want to see और क्या क्या किया है. So I think that is one of the best compliments, and it wasn't even meant to be a compliment. As I said, I'm positive in life, so I took it as a compliment कि यार ये बंदा अगर मुझे आके ये बोल रहा है कि you are somebody who makes me want to go back and see more of your work.
That is, I think, one of the greatest compliments.
That's a good compliment.